Welcome again to Padam Padikalam Science Unit 1 Our Environment Part 3. Previously you learned about different types of farms in Part 1. Part 2 you learned about dairy farms and poultry farms. Today you are going to learn about apiculture. What is apiculture? Apiculture means rearing of honey bee for honey is known as apiculture. Beekeeping is the maintenance of bees. Beekeeping is the maintenance of bee colonies, commonly in man-made hives by humans. This is known as apiculture. It is also called beekeeping. In this technique, honeybees are reared in a specially designed wooden box. Honeybees have been very closely associated with humans since ancient times. Various products like honey and wax are obtained from honeybees. Earlier, honey is extracted from the hives in the forests. Nowadays, they are domesticated by farmers to produce honey. Beekeeping is a profitable rural-based industry. Honeybees are social insects. The nest of honeybee is known as the beehive. They live in colonies and show division of labor. Types of honeybee. There are different types of bees in a honeybee hive. 3 types of honeybees are found in a colony. They are queen bee, the drones, and the worker bee. Queen bee. The queen is the largest member of the bee colony. There is only one queen, and it's the fertile female of the colony. They are formed from fertile eggs. The queen is responsible for laying eggs in a colony. It lays about 2000 eggs per day. The lifespan of the queen bee is 3 to 4 years only. Next we are going to learn about drones. Drones are the fertile males. They develop from unfertilized eggs. They are larger than the workers and smaller than the queens. Their main function is to fertilize the egg produced by the queen. They also help in maintenance. Of hive temperature. The number of drones in a colony amounts to hundreds and sometimes to thousands. The normal lifespan of a drone is 57 days only. Next, worker bees. These are sterile female bees and the smallest members of the colony. These bees are very active. Their function is to collect honey, look after the young ones, clean the comb, defend the hive and maintain the temperature of the beehive. Lifespan of worker bee is 6 weeks only. But there are some 7 types of honeybees also listed. The 7 living species of honeybees are the black dwarfed honeybee, red dwarfed honeybee, giant honeybee, eastern honeybee, western honeybee, Koskevinock honeybee, Philippine honeybee. Now we are going to learn little bit about honeybee. Honeybee is a flying insect that is member of the genus Apis. There are 3 types of bees. Honeybees are social insects that live in colonies. Honeybees communicate with each other using odors, chemicals, and dancing. Honeybee colony can have tens of thousands of bees. There are 3 types of honeybees in a colony, and they are the queen, workers, and drones. There are 4 stages of honeybees life, and they are egg, larva, pupa, and adult. A queen honeybee's lifespan is about 3 to 4 years. They can lay an average 2,500 eggs a day during the summer months. Beekeeping is a hobby and commercial business where honeybee colonies are maintained in man-made hives and bee products are harvested. A bee yard, also known as an apiary, is where a beekeeper keeps his honeybee beehives. Honeybees are big money maker in apiculture. These social and hard-working insects produce 6 hive products: honey, pollen, jelly, wax, papiles, and venom. Honey is a sweet, viscous, edible, natural food product. It contains protein, free amino acids, vitamins, and minerals like calcium, iron, phosphorus, manganese. The following are the uses of honeybees. Honey has an antiseptic and antibacterial property. It is an antibiotic. We like to taste honey, isn't it? It helps in building up hemoglobin content in the blood. It is used in Ayurvedic and Unani system of medicines. It prevents cough, cold, fever, and relieves sore throat. It enhances digestion and appetite. It provides essential amino acids required for the growth of the body. Bee wax. Bee wax is secreted by the wax glands of worker bee to construct the combs of beehive. Some of the uses of bee wax are given here in your lesson. It is widely used in cosmetic industry. The wax is used in the preparation of shoe polish and manufacture of cold creams, lipsticks, candles, and lubricants. It is also used in the preparation of ointment and pharmaceutical industry.